Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel.
Life of Pi.
Today we are going to try some exotic fruits all over the world which we both I guess haven't tried
Yeah.
before, and some of the fruits we haven't even heard before.
So we went to multiple food store in Atlanta and we got very unique fruits from there. So we are going to try them and we are going to taste them today.
Let's
see
see.
how it going to taste.
First we are trying mangosteen, which is also called as queen of fruits. I'm really excited to try this one.
Yeah, so this fruit is majorly available in South Asian country. So mainly from Thailand or Indonesia.
Yeah.
This fruit supposed to taste like a multiple fruits like lychee, strawberry, pineapple and plum.
Interesting.
Yeah. So देखने पे तो ये कोकम के जैसा लग रहा है. Yeah. So but the texture, like the outer layer is very,
Very
hard.
hard.
So you have to crack it open to eat.
I guess so. Yeah, we have to crack it and then eat. So
Yeah.
also, this fruit is good for skin and also it has anti-inflammatory, which is good.
As you can see, this is how it looks from inside. दिखने पे तो ऐसा लीची के जैसे ही दिख रहा है.
And kind of custard apple.
Yeah. Okay. Let me try. बढ़िया है. Very good.
It is a mixture of lot of fruits. It's
Yeah,
little
yeah.
tangy.
Let me try once more.
Oh, it has a seed.
Okay. I haven't.
Oh, you didn't get the seed one. Let's try one more.
So let me try one more. Yeah.
It's good.
It's very good, guys.
It's mixture of a lot of fruits for sure. It's sweet,
बिल्कुल try करना.
tangy.
Yeah. Juicy.
हाँ.
Yeah. देखने पे तो कस्टर्ड एप्पल
पूरा खा गया है इंसान.
It's very good.
It's good. So, how much would you rate it?
5 out of 5.
4 out of 5.
It's very.
Next, we have lemonade apple.
These fruits come from New Zealand and Australia.
Will it taste like lemonade? Because I love tangy things.
Yeah. People often say it tastes like it
Okay.
because it's a naturally available lemonade in the form of an apple. Yeah, so you have to try this one. So the taste is like
Little bit of, I guess, tangy.
it look like an apple, but it also tastes like a lemonade, but it will have a texture.
Let's
as
see if it
yeah.
tastes like lemonade. Then
yeah. Yeah.
smells like normal apple.
It smells like normal apple, but अगर अंदर से देखोगे तो इस बिल्कुल एप्पल के जैसे ही दिख रहा है. Let's try. I don't know. It feels like an apple.
I don't feel the
Lemonade.
tangy or the thing.
Anyway, this fruit is rich in vitamin C and good for hydration. So good
It's
fruit.
very crispy, no?
Yeah, that's how apples are.
What would you rate this?
This feels like an apple.
Yeah.
Yeah. There is no something uniqueness they found in this. 1 out of 5.
Huh?
I mean, the expectation was high because the
We
name
were
says
expecting lemonade
lemonade taste wala, but apple ke jaise hi laga. Like there is no difference. Only the difference I found is color.
Green apple.
Green apple. Yeah, of course. Yeah, green apple ke jaisa hi hai.
Yeah.
But yeah, 1 out of 5.
I would give it a 2 out of 5.
Okay.
I mean, if you like apples, then this is good. It's not unique.
Yeah, it is not unique.
Next we have Hachia persimmon. I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. This fruit हमने बहुत सारे फूड मार्केट में देखा है. So I
Yeah.
guess it's very famous.
या अलग अलग वेरिएंट पे भी मिल जाएगा, जैसे कि ये बड़ा वाला है और छोटा वाला भी आता है. सो लुक्स क्यूट. एंड इफ यू सी दिस, लाइक दिस लुक्स लाइक एन टोमेटो. इवन टेक्सचर फील्स लाइक अ टोमेटो.
It's very squishy and soft. So are we supposed to eat it like with the peel or इसको?
या यू हैव टू ईट इट completely with a peel. और ऐसे भी कहते हैं कि if you eat unripened fruit,
Okay.
then it will immediately dry your mouth.
Oh,
Feeling like it's juicy
Tomato.
inside. Yeah, it's also juicy inside. Let's try this one.
okay.
That's how it looks from inside.
This smells like some fruit which we know.
It smells like plum.
हाँ.
It
Yes.
smells like plum, and even the
Feel.
texture is also like a plum.
Feels like-
So देखते हैं.
आप ही लिया, रुको, मेरा वेट करो.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
वाव यार, बढ़िया है. इसका टेस्ट बहुत ही स्वीट है. जेली के जैसा फील हो रहा है.
It's sweet and हाँ, exactly jelly-like texture.
Yeah, let me try.
And it just melts in your mouth for some reason. No?
Yeah, it's very good fruit.
Have you eaten something like this before?
I think it's very close to plum.
But in a sweeter version.
Yeah, in a sweeter one. Plum तो थोड़ा टैंगी जैसा रहता है ना. So ये थोड़ा स्वीट वर्जन है. थोड़ा पपाया का भी फील आ रहा है मुझे. I don't know, maybe because of that sweetness.
But texture-wise, it is like jelly only. Also, they say कि it is very rich in vitamin A and good for digestion.
Okay.
and
Nice.
that's very good.
Good pick. Do you rate this one out of 5?
I think 4 again, 4 out of 5.
मेरा भी 4 ही होगा.
Yeah, it's good.
Yep.
You guys should try it. Next we have red anjo pear, and of course by the name you can guess कि this is from France.
Yes, you said it right. This is from France and also from Belgium. It should taste like sweet, juicy. The fun fact of this fruit is, unlike other pears, it do not change its color when it's completely ripened.
Oh.
तो लाने के बाद हमें पता चला कि to check if this fruit is ripe or not, you need to press it towards the stem. अगर ये smooth है,
And it's ripe.
yeah. And we don't know whether we pick the right one or not. So
Actually,
यहाँ पे smooth तो लग रहा है, but
थोड़ा
I don't know if it this is what the expected one. Let's see. We can try
वो
this
तो
and see.
खाने के बाद
ही पता चलेगा.
This is how it looks from inside. I think normal pear भी ऐसा ही होता है ना.
हाँ, अंदर का टेक्सचर तो
Obviously,
वेरी
ये
सिमिलर
सारे
है.
एक ही फैमिली के अलग अलग.
वेरिएंट्स है. हाँ, ये और एक वेरिएंट में भी अवेलेबल है. That's called green anjo pear.
Yes, हमने देखा था स्टोर में
So
green
they
और
have
red.
two different variants,
Yeah.
green and red anjo pear.
Also they say कि it's good for anti-inflammatory and good for digestion as well. So let's see.
Okay.
I thought for some reason it will be crisp, but it's not crisp. It's very soft.
This is
And
very
it's
soft.
juicy, yeah.
Yeah, it is juicy, soft, sweet, and it tastes like a green apple.
So how much would you rate?
3 out of 5.
Yeah, 3 out of 5. Next fruit I am very excited to try. This is called as egg fruit. Very unique name.
Yeah, origin of this fruit is Central American country and Mexico, and the texture is like a boiled egg yolk. So
That's why I think
it's
that's
called as egg fruit. Yeah. Oh,
Oh, it literally it's like egg yolk. This looks something like this.
so you need to scoop it. So चम्मच से scoop करके खा लो and देखते हैं कैसा है.
Also they say it is rich in vitamin and energy booster. अच्छा है अगर energy booster के लिए
महंगा फ्रूट लेके जाओगे.
नहीं, instead of electrolytes.
इलेक्ट्रोलाइट तो 10 रुपए में मिल जाएगा. इसके लिए आपको 100 रुपए या 1000 रुपए खर्च करने पड़ेंगे. How is it?
It doesn't taste like custard, but texture खाने में तो वो egg yolk की तरह ही लग रहा है. No? It's sweet.
मे बी हमने लाइक पूरा
हाँ, थोड़ा और ripe होना चाहिए
ripe
होगा.
होना चाहिए.
Maybe. But the texture is same like egg yolk, boiled egg yolk. Something very unique this is. No? Very unique.
People in Central America use this in milkshake and ice creams.
Oh.
Yeah. The cutest fruit that we found.
It's so tiny.
It's like a mini compressed version of orange.
It's very cute. And this is called as calamansi or calamansi.
Yeah, so this fruit is from Philippines. People in Philippines use this for everything, almost for everything. Like they use in drinks, they use in food, they even use it for as a skincare
Yeah.
and also for cleaning purpose. Yeah.
This is interesting.
Yeah.
Smells like
Wow.
orange.
It literally smells like orange.
Yeah. And also they say it's very tangy. Again, I like tangy fruit.
यार ये तो पील करने पे भी ऑरेंज ही लग रहा है.
Orange ही है वो. It's a orange only. It's a so cute. को as whole खा सकते हो ना.
हाँ.
एक एक ही खाने की जगह. But
यार ये कितना प्यारा है यार. Cheers. Not taste like orange.
क्यों हिला डाला ना.
that's why they use it in other dishes like lemon. जैसे lemon use
लेमन का रिप्लेसमेंट है, सब्स्टिट्यूट है.
lemon का substitute है.
या मेरे शरीर का सारे सेंसेस एक्टिवेट हो गए. एक ही छोटा सा बाइट. आहा. छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका. लिटरली गाइस, छोटा पैकेट
मुंह में
बड़ा
ऐसे धमाका कर देगा.
हाँ.
So I would rate it 3 because of its appearance. Totally because of its appearance. Yeah, it's very tangy, but look at this यार. So cute.
Yeah.
I guess इसको अगर हम अपने lemonade में थोड़ा सा कट करके डाल देंगे ना, then it will be very good.
या इट्स अ रिप्लेसमेंट फॉर लाइम.
Lime. Sure.
पर बहुत ही प्यारा है. एंड आई वुड रेट 3 out of 5 because of
Just
because of its appearance. Like
Yeah.
बहुत ही प्यारा है यार. Very cute. This one is rambutan. It's an advanced version of lychee.
Yeah. It looks like lychee also.
It comes from Malaysia and Indonesia. Supposed to taste like a sweet, bit tangy,
Yeah.
like a lychee, and more creamier.
Do you know why it is called as rambutan? Because as you can see, this is something like hair-like texture. Because in Malaysia, they call hairs as rambut, and you guys can see it has a hair-like structure here. That's why the name is rambutan.
Okay, guys.
ये exactly लीची जैसे ही ओपन
हाँ, लीची के जैसा ही
दिख भी
peel
वैसे
करना
रहा है.
है. दिखने में भी सेम लीची है. होपफुली टेस्ट भी लीची के जैसा होगा, बट
थोड़ा different.
ये लेना, I'll try one.
Looks exactly like lychee. Let's taste. It's nice. It's like lychee only. So
बढ़िया है, it's tasty.
not very unique something, but मतलब ऐसा खाया हुआ है हमने.
हाँ, लीची के जैसा ही है. There is no much difference in it. और even creamier,
I don't
पता नहीं, like there is no much
Again, we
creamier.
might have taken the wrong one.
हाँ, वो भी हो सकता है, you never know.
Much would you rate?
Neutral, 3 out of 5.
3 out of 5. It's good, but
Yeah.
again, not
Taste wise,
very unique.
it's very good. लीची के जैसा ही है. There is no difference.
Next is Thocote from Mexico.
It should taste like mild sweet sour, like an apple.
Yeah, it looks like also apple, no? The texture wise.
Yeah, dotted apple. In Mexico, people use mainly for the drinks, especially a Christmas drink. So it's
Yeah.
also called Mexican punch. And they also prepare tejocote pickle.
Oh,
Yeah, as a side dish. Yeah. We need to eat it directly. Like you don't need to peel or anything.
just like an apple.
Just like an apple, you can cut it and eat it.
A small seed inside, and looks like apple only. I don't know, for some reason this is tasting like amla,
Yeah, maybe we picked the wrong one.
but I liked it. It's tasting like amla, so but
Yeah, but this tasted completely opposite what it's supposed to taste like.
I liked it.
Yeah, unfortunately,
You didn't like, no? Yeah, because so rating
2 out of 5.
3.5 out of 5.
Okay.
Next we have tomato arbello.
This fruit comes from Andes region. Peru and Ecuador से belong करता है, and it's supposed to taste a bit tangy, bit sweet.
Tomato like.
हाँ, like not tomato. Like don't go with the name.
अरे, कुछ तो होगा ना, टोमेटो का कुछ तो एसेंस होगा उसमें. That's why it's tomato.
Okay.
Let's see.
The fact of this fruit is there are around 10,000 different variants of tomato, and ऐसा भी बोला जाता है कि सारे variants are बहुत ही अलग हैं. Like they may have very similar properties, but there are very uniqueness in each one of them.
कुछ तो अलग टेस्ट करेगा हर एक टोमेटो.
Yeah.
इसके सीड्स आर लाइक टोमेटो ओनली ना.
हाँ, ऐसे ही
दिख रहा है, बट हाँ वो पैशन फ्रूट का भी कलर है इसके अंदर. सो मे बी तो
कैसा है? या जैसे बोला था वैसा ही है.
इट्स टैंगी,
लाइट स्वीट है.
लाइटली स्वीट है, लाइक पैशन फ्रूट.
एग्जैक्टली, या पैशन फ्रूट के जैसा ही है.
या
फ्रूट में काफ़ी सारे हेल्थ बेनिफिट भी हैं. ऐसे कहते हैं कि दिस फ्रूट हैव अ एंटी कैंसर प्रॉपर्टीज,
Oh,
एंड
really?
ऑल्सो इट इज गुड फॉर हेल्दी हार्ट. नाइस. सो
नाइस. हाउ मच वुड यू रेट?
दिस इज गुड. आई वुड रेट 3.5 out of
same.
5. This is good.
सेम 3.5 out of 5. It's good and unique also for us.
Yeah,
no?
it's very unique. टोमेटो का कजिन है.
हाँ, बाहर से टोमेटो
का-
का कलर, अंदर से पैशन फ्रूट का कलर, एंड टेस्ट लाइक मिक्सचर ऑफ बोथ. सो वेरी यूनिक. नेक्स्ट वी हैव kumquat from China, also known as golden orange.
Interesting. So again, this belongs to orange family. छोटा वर्जन ऑरेंज है. Again, थोड़ा
Very cute.
हाँ, very cute. Cute fruit है.
थोड़ा अलग शेप है ना.
Yeah. Our research कि the peel of this fruit supposed to taste sweet and
Yeah.
inside इसका थोड़ा tangy
Tanginess
होगा.
होगा.
Whereas orange का peel बहुत ही bitter होता है.
Yes.
और inside sweet भी हो सकता है, tangy भी हो सकता है. Depends.
So first time हम लोग कोई ऑरेंज ऐसे ही खाने
ऐसे ही
वाले
खाने
हैं,
वाले
because
हैं.
it is supposed to be eaten like this.
Yes.
So let's.
You have to eat it completely.
Yeah.
No need to peel.
But मुझे बस ना you eat. No, I'll see the only peel part whether it's. Yeah.
Yes.
I just want to see the peel part.
It's not too sweet. थोड़ा tanginess है orange का, and also it has that hint of orange characteristics.
It's not too tangy for you.
It's not too tangy.
मैं बस पील खा के देख रही हूँ कि whether
Yeah.
it's sweet or not. Correct. It's not too मतलब ऐसा sweet नहीं है, but it's not bitter like orange also. So
Yeah. Orange का peel बहुत ही काफ़ी bitter रहता है.
how much would you rate?
This is very unique. I would rate 4 out of 5.
3.5.
That's good.
Next we have quince from Middle East.
Yeah. This is originally from Iraq, Iran, and Turkey. It's supposed to taste like sweet when it is cooked. So the texture will be very smooth and it will turn its color to pink.
Oh wow.
Raw खाओगे then it will be very hard and
Sour
tangy.
taste.
Yeah. बोला जाता है कि ancient Greek used to give this fruit as a token of love during wedding.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes, ये cooked ही सही रहेगा because texture wise मुझे लग रहा है कि ये बहुत ही hard होगा.
I think we need to cook it
Yeah.
and try.
But we'll try like this only to give you raw in.
It slightly tastes like guava and apple. Like honey crisp apple. अगर आप खाए होंगे.
It is not sour.
It's not sour. It's sweet ही है, light sweet है, but खाने पे मजा आ रहा है.
You can eat it raw.
Yeah, you can eat
eat
it.
it raw.
Yeah,
दिखने में तो नहीं लगा, but you can eat it raw. It's good.
yeah.
Rating
I find this very unique. I would rate 4 out of 5.
3.5 out of 5. I mean, unique तो है, but taste is similar we had before. Next we have sand pear from Korea, China, Japan, like basically from Asia.
So आज तो बहुत सारा पेयर खा लिया हमने.
Pear और citrus बस यही खाते जा रहे हैं हम तब से.
Yes, so this contains like 84% water in it.
Oh,
And,
then it's good for hydration.
Yes, then it's good for hydration. इस fruit को ऐसा gift के तौर पे भी देते हैं in many countries in Asia for the prosperity and luck.
That's interesting.
You know?
Yeah.
Again, green apple के जैसे ही लग रहा है ना?
हाँ.
Crunchy है. Apple के जैसा ही है.
Yes.
Slightly pear का भी कुछ characteristics है.
But very crispy and juicy.
Crispy है.
हाँ,
Juicy है. हाँ,
है.
काफी सारे juicy
Juicy
because this fruit contains 84%
Yeah.
of water.
ये दिख भी रहा है moisture, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah, so अगर आप देखोगे पानी टपक रहा है.
I think it's very good for health then.
Yeah, good for hydration. अगर आप डिहाइड्रेट हो तो ये फ्रूट खा लो.
Rating.
I would rate 3 out of 5.
Yeah, 3 out of 5.
Just similar taste है and neutral.
Lastly, we have star apple from Caribbean.
This tropical fruit. So this is supposed to taste like sweet, milky, and inside it has a grape-like texture.
If you cut it horizontally, so it has a star shape inside, which I am very excited to see.
Interesting. Oh yes.
This looks so cute.
ये तो grape के जैसा ही है.
And it has a star shape.
Yeah, nice. So a photogenic fruit है.
Aesthetic fruit.
Aesthetic fruit है. Good for immunity and it is anti-inflammatory. It is
It has a grape-like texture. Here you can see the milky texture.
interesting. Something very unique, right?
It's very nice.
मैं बढ़ा ही लेता हूँ, भूख लग रहा है. चलो.
Yeah, very interesting.
Very good, यार. I would rate 4.5 out of 5.
Same, 4.5 out of 5. If you like grapes, then definitely you will like this.
Yeah.
So इनमें से which is your favorite fruit in terms of uniqueness? मतलब हमने पहली बार खाया है and taste wise also.
Tricky है क्योंकि like I like 3 fruits mainly mangosteen, Hayachi persimmon, and star apple.
So choose one कि वो एक fruit सबको try करनी चाहिए. Like very unique according to you.
I would go for queen of fruits,
Mangosteen.
mangosteen. क्योंकि that fruit have like it's a mixture of multiple
Lot of
fruits,
fruits.
right ना? कि plum है, lychee है, strawberry
मेरे लिए
है,
भी same.
pineapple है, very juicy है. Yeah.
या मेरे लिए भी सेम मैंगोस्टीन ही होगा बट आई गेस हम दोनों का सेकेंड फ्रूट होगा स्टार एप्पल ना
Yes.
या दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी यूनिक
Yep. I hope you guys like this video
एंड इफ यू डिड देन डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू शेयर सब्सक्राइब
and like.